Hey guys, in this video, we're diving into the world of delicious frozen treats as we compare the top 5 best ice cream makers on the market right now. Whether you're looking for an affordable solution or the ultimate premium machine, we've got you covered. Stick around to find out which ice cream maker is the perfect fit for you. Product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker Machine. At just $27.99, this budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy quick, single-serving frozen treats without breaking the bank. Its compact design includes a freezable mug-style base and 2 bowls, making it ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. The built-in ingredient chute allows you to easily add mix-ins like chocolate chips or fruit while the machine churns. The Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker is straightforward to use. Simply freeze the base overnight, add your ingredients, press the button, and wait about 20 minutes for your dessert to be ready. While it's a great entry-level option, the 0.5 pint capacity might feel limiting for larger households or parties. The plastic build keeps it lightweight, but it's not as durable as higher-end models. Cleaning is a breeze as the parts are detachable, though they require hand washing. In terms of performance, this machine offers decent results for its price. However, the texture may not be as creamy as what you'd get with a premium machine. If you're looking for an affordable and space-saving solution for occasional use, this is the one for you. Just remember, it's best suited for single servings and simple recipes. At number 4, we have the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. This retro-inspired machine combines vintage charm with modern convenience. And at $38.39, it's an affordable choice for families or anyone who loves entertaining. With a generous 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for whipping up large batches of ice cream, frozen yogurt, or gelato for parties and gatherings. The nostalgic wood bucket design, paired with an electric motor, gives it a unique aesthetic while ensuring hassle-free operation. Using the Nostalgia Ice Cream Maker is simple. Mix your ingredients, pour them into the aluminum canister, and let the electric motor take care of the churning. Alternatively, you can pair it with Nostalgia's ice cream kits for added convenience. It's quick, producing ice cream in about 20 minutes, and the carrying handle makes it easy to transport. However, be prepared for the traditional ice and rock salt setup, which may require a bit more effort compared to fully automatic machines. This machine shines in its ability to create large quantities, but the build quality might feel less premium due to the lightweight materials. It's also not the quietest option on the list. If you're looking for a fun, family-friendly machine with classic vibes, the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker is a solid pick. At number 3, we have the Elite Gourmet EIM 916 Old-Fashioned Ice Cream Maker. Priced at $99.99, this machine blends a classic wood bucket design with modern electric functionality, giving you the best of both worlds. What sets this machine apart is its massive 6-quart capacity, making it ideal for large families, parties, and events. Whether you're churning ice cream, gelato, or frozen yogurt, the Elite Gourmet offers enough volume to keep everyone satisfied. The machine is easy to use with its straightforward pre-step process. Mix your ingredients, add ice and rock salt, and turn it on. If you're feeling nostalgic, you can even switch to the manual hand crank for an authentic old-school experience. The aluminum canister ensures easy cleanup, and leftover ice cream can be stored directly in the freezer thanks to the see-through lid. While the design and capacity are impressive, the machine is quite bulky and may require significant storage space. Additionally, the electric motor is whisper quiet, but the ice and salt method can be messy for some users. If you're hosting large gatherings and want a machine that delivers both quantity and quality with a touch of vintage charm, the Elite Gourmet is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 2 is the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker Machine. At $129.95, this sleek and fully automatic machine combines premium design with top-notch performance, making it a favorite for serious home chefs. The brushed stainless steel body not only looks great on your countertop, but is also built to last. With a 2-quart capacity, it's perfect for families who love experimenting with flavors or hosting friends for dessert nights. The Cuisinart features a double-insulated freezer bowl, eliminating the need for ice and rock salt. Simply freeze the bowl overnight, add your ingredients, and let the heavy-duty motor churn out delicious ice cream, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in under 30 minutes. The large ingredient spout makes adding mix-ins a breeze, and the retractable cord storage keeps counters clutter-free. It also includes a recipe book with creative ideas to inspire your culinary adventures. While this machine delivers smooth and creamy results, it does require pre-freezing the bowl, which might not be ideal for spontaneous cravings. Additionally, it's slightly heavier than other models. If you value efficiency, reliability, and a touch of elegance, the Cuisinart ice cream maker is an excellent choice for your kitchen. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Priced at $199.99, this premium machine is the ultimate choice for anyone who wants versatility, precision, and innovation all in one. With 7 one-touch programs, the Ninja Creamy can whip up ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, smoothie bowls, and even light options for keto and vegan diets. Its compact size makes it perfect for kitchens with limited space. And the modern silver design fits seamlessly into any aesthetic. What truly sets this machine apart is its Creamify technology, which transforms frozen blocks into ultra-smooth, creamy desserts. The included respin function allows you to adjust texture to your liking, ensuring perfect results every time. The 2 16-ounce pint containers with storage lids are a nice practical touch, and all components are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. The digital display is user-friendly, and the included recipe guide offers inspiration for endless flavor combinations. While it's the priciest option on the list, the Ninja NC301 delivers unparalleled customization and performance. Its 800-watt motor is powerful, though it might be slightly noisy during operation. If you're serious about frozen treats and want the ultimate in flexibility and creativity, the Ninja NC301 is hands down the best ice cream maker you can buy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing your next ice cream maker. If this video was valuable to you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more great reviews. If you have questions about these products, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Happy ice cream making!